Been a long time, but finally got to 55 sitting back on the ground. Got the test wheels on there. Got it set. That's gonna be the ride height in the back. Front's probably gonna come down 3 or 4 more inches. Still working on cutting the wheel tubs out the back. Put the mini tub kit in. Gonna put probably a set of 15 by 12s or 13s on the back. Then figure out what we're gonna do with the 10 floor or trunk floor, probably just tin it all. But it definitely looks good at the new ride height. Still waiting for some parts to come in for this one. Picked up a stock bench seat for it. Didn't look right with the Kirkies in it. Redone the back leaf spring setup, sitting about 4 inches lower. Should work a whole lot better on the street. Gonna order a set of Smithcraft bars for the back. Got some new taillights put in it. Pin the trunk on. Be doing some more to this when some parts come back in. Just waiting on stuff and getting this back rolling. Old primer one ain't looking too bad though. Got the Sunoco cow hood on it. Took the billet grill out. Gotta get a stock grill for that. Get some stock headlights. New front chrome bumper. Got a new chrome rear bumper for it. Probably put the teardrop mirrors on this one. Just taking a couple videos. Haven't seen it on the ground in a long time.